Filing for divorce in Santa Clarita, do's and don'ts. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're getting ready to file for divorce in Santa Clarita, there are a few key do's and don'ts that can help your case go smoothly and avoid unnecessary delays and stress. Let's go over the most important ones. Do make sure your forms are filled out completely and correctly. The Los Angeles County courts, including those serving Santa Clarita, are strict about paperwork. One small mistake can cause your case to be rejected or delayed. Don't try to rush through it or rely on generic online forms. We've seen so many cases where people try to DIY their divorce and end up stuck when the court rejects their judgment multiple times. Do serve your spouse properly. If you're on good terms, a notice of acknowledgement and receipt can keep things simple. If not, make sure you use a qualified process server to avoid problems. Don't assume you have to go to court. If your divorce is amicable and you work with a service like ours, everything can be handled remotely. No hearings, no courtrooms, no stress. We recently helped a Santa Clarita client whose paperwork had been rejected twice. They came to us and we fixed everything, refiled the case, and had it approved within a week. At Divorce 661, we handle everything from start to finish, properly, quickly, and without the drama. If you're ready to file for divorce in Santa Clarita and want to do it the right way, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll make sure your case moves forward smoothly from day one.